Today, we're touring a fully remodeled lakefront estate on 15-plus private acres in Tennessee, offering modern living, horse facilities, and endless outdoor amenities. The property is centered on serene lakefront views, with direct access from a new walkway and dock. Outdoors, you'll find an in-ground heated pool with fountain and Pentair automation, a covered pavilion with a full outdoor kitchen, and a fire pit overlooking the water. The renovated kitchen includes custom cabinetry, a large pantry, and a reverse osmosis sink, supported by a tankless water heater and whole home water softener system. Open, flexible living spaces are reinforced with steel beams and columns, allowing for future main-level customization. Thoughtful updates include new windows, flooring, doors, built-ins, and ventless fireplace. The finished basement is fully equipped for entertainment and convenience, featuring a home theater, kitchenette with drink refrigerator, ice maker, and speed oven/microwave, plus extensive IT wiring throughout for seamless connectivity. A new HVAC system ensures comfort on all levels. This Tennessee lakefront estate combines privacy, luxury, and functionality in a truly turnkey package, With 15.56 acres of lakefront property, modern upgrades, equestrian facilities, pool, pavilion, and workshop, this retreat offers the perfect balance of leisure, lifestyle, and versatility. Schedule a private showing today to experience lakefront living at its finest.